Good day, I'm Andrea Chisholm and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, November 13. The President of the Republic of Haiti, His Excellency Michel Martelly, arrived in Jamaica Wednesday afternoon for a three-day state visit. Mr. Martelly was met on arrival at the Norman Mandy International Airport by the Governor-General, Prime Minister and other senior government officials. Prime Minister Simpson Miller says the visit will serve to deepen the long-standing friendship that both countries enjoy. The Haitian leader is to hold talks with the Prime Minister and members of the Cabinet, as well as heads of executive agencies and the private sector on a range of bilateral, regional and multilateral issues. President Martelly and his delegation will leave the island on Friday, November 15. Approximately 1,400 small banana and plantain farmers in traditional growing parishes are set to benefit from close to €5 million or 660 million Jamaican dollars over the next 4 years. This follows the signing of 2 contracts by Agriculture Minister Roger Clark and the European Union Ambassador to Jamaica Tuesday. The EU grant-funded Banana Accompanying Measures program will be administered by the Rural Agricultural Development Authority, RADA.
These funds will be used mainly to provide capacity building and technical assistance to AIBGA, support the establishment of a commercial entity for the AIBGA, strengthen the district branches into production clusters, provide infrastructural improvement for AIBGA's stores and facilities.
The second contract seeks to assist the Banana Board's efforts to increase profitability of the subsector by establishing best practices in production and marketing. The Banana Board is to update and transfer its production, diagnostic and technology protocol service. A nursery operation will also be developed for the production of new and conventional banana varieties. Jamaica's ornamental fish industry is positioning itself to tap into the multi-million US dollar market. To support that, 100 fish farmers are being presented with a manual entitled the Jamaica Ornamental Fish Quality Assurance Program, which will guide, standardize, and certify their operations for export. The manual was developed by the Competitiveness Company with the aid of the Social Development Commission, Melinda Gates Foundation, and the United States Agency for International Development USAID. Agriculture and Fisheries Minister Roger Clark has endorsed the publication, saying the Quality Assurance Program will help the local industry grow into an internationally accepted and viable export industry that can take advantage of the $400 million US dollar market.
With even a small fraction of this large market, as low as 1%, Jamaican ornamental fish could earn significant foreign exchange for Jamaica, up to $4 million US.
As the country continues celebrating Youth Month, tertiary graduates are being targeted for a work experience program that begins in less than a week. The Youth Ministry's Graduate Work Experience Program, GWEP, begins November 18 with a batch of 100 tertiary graduates who are having difficulty finding employment due to lack of work experience. They will be placed for a period of internship in public and private sector entities. They are the first of 300 young people who will be trained under the project, which is being administered by the National Youth Service. Meanwhile, Youth Minister Lisa Hanna has also announced that the NYS is inviting existing non-governmental and community-based organizations to submit proposals for innovative youth programs. It's one of several activities to mark Youth Month, which Minister Hanna says will this year extend beyond November and begin a year-long program that will feed into a 5-year strategic plan that's more responsive and relevant to the current challenges facing young people. Other activities on the agenda for this month include 40 projects to support children's homes, community centers, and other facilities island-wide with the support of NYS volunteers. The Youth Service will also retain a core of volunteers to give support in selected children's homes and will contract 5 life coaches who will work with young persons in 5 selected homes. And finally, students are again being encouraged to stay in school and avoid gangs. The charge came from National Security Minister Peter Bunting in an address to students at the Halfway Tree Transport Center as part of an initiative to reduce loitering in the bus park.
If you drop out of school, you're 6 times more likely to become a gang member. If you become a gang member, you are 10 times more likely to end up in prison or dead. We don't want that for you. We want discipline, we want order, and you can still be cool and have fun.
As part of its crime prevention program, the National Security Ministry partnered with the Art of Living Foundation to bring a series of social intervention initiatives to target groups across Jamaica. The latest initiative was the screening of a documentary entitled Songs of Redemption to sensitize students about the operations of the prison systems and the changes they will encounter if they are convicted of crimes. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.